Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Morning English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo. Hello, friends. Today, we're talking about something everyone does, daily routines and free time.
That's right. We all have small things we do every day. Waking up, eating, working, relaxing. Let's learn how to talk about them in English.
Perfect. Let's start with a few simple actions. Wake up, take a shower, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, have dinner, go to bed.
Great. Those are the key actions for your daily life. Now let's use them in short, natural sentences. I wake up at 7, then I take a shower and get ready for work.
I usually wake up early too, around 6:30. I brush my teeth and make coffee.
Oh, coffee first, of course.
Always coffee first.
Me too. After that, I eat breakfast, usually toast and fruit.
I prefer eggs and bread. Then I leave home around 8.
What time do you start work?
At 9. My office isn't far from home, so I walk.
That's nice. I work from home, so I start a little later.
Lucky you. I like working from home too, but sometimes I need the change of space.
True. It's good to mix things up.
So, Emma, what do you do after work?
I finish around 5 or 6, then I go for a short walk. It helps me relax.
That's a great idea. I usually go to the gym after work.
Oh, really? Every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
Impressive. I wish I had that discipline.
It helps me stay awake. After the gym, I cook dinner and watch something on TV.
What kind of shows do you like?
Mostly comedies, something light after a long day. What about you?
I love documentaries and sometimes old movies.
Classic.
Yes, I like quiet evenings. I read a little before bed too.
That's nice. Reading helps me sleep better too.
So let's help our listeners describe their day, shall we?
Sure, you can start like this. In the morning, I wake up and take a shower. In the afternoon, I work. In the evening, I cook and watch TV.
Simple, right? You don't need long sentences. Just keep them clear and easy.
Exactly. Let's talk a little about time expressions, words like always, usually, sometimes, and never.
Right. They make your sentences sound more natural. For example, I always drink coffee. I usually read before bed. I sometimes take a nap. I never skip breakfast.
My favorite one is definitely, I never skip coffee.
That's true. You said that before, and I believe you.
100%.
Now, let's move to free time activities, what we do when we're not working.
Okay, so in my free time, I like playing guitar and meeting my friends.
That's cool. I like going for walks or having coffee with friends.
See, coffee again.
Yes, it's part of my personality now.
I understand. I also like watching movies on weekends.
Me too. What kind of movies do you like?
Action and comedy, something that helps me relax.
I prefer something slow, maybe romantic movies or nature films.
That sounds peaceful. Do you watch movies alone or with family?
Usually with friends. Sometimes we cook together and watch after dinner.
That's nice. Food and movies. Perfect night.
I agree.
Let's give our listeners some ideas. In your free time, you can say things like, I listen to music. I read books. I go for a walk. I meet friends. I cook dinner.
Exactly. And you can also add when you do these things. I read at night. I cook on weekends. I walk in the morning.
That's good practice. It helps people connect actions with time.
Yes, and it's simple enough to use every day.
Speaking of time, Emma, are you a morning person or a night person?
I think I'm both. I like mornings, but I also enjoy quiet nights.
I'm definitely a night person. I feel more creative after sunset.
That's interesting. I usually feel sleepy by 10.
That's early. I'm still playing guitar at that time.
That explains your late breakfasts.
Guilty.
Let's talk about weekends now. What do you usually do on Saturday and Sunday?
On Saturday, I clean my apartment, do laundry, and buy groceries.
Productive.
I try. Then on Sunday, I rest, play games, and maybe visit friends.
Sounds relaxing. I like cooking something special on Sundays. It feels like family time.
That's sweet. What's your favorite dish to cook?
Pasta. It's easy and delicious.
I love pasta too. Maybe we should do a food episode next time.
Oh, yes. That's actually next lesson.
Perfect timing.
So, listeners, now it's your turn. Think about your daily life and say it in English. You can say, I wake up at 7. I go to work at 8. I come home at 6. I watch TV and go to bed at 10.
Great. And if you're studying English, you can say, I study English in the evening. I listen to podcasts on the bus. I practice with morning English talk every morning.
I like that one.
Me too.
Now, let's do a short quiz. I'll ask, you answer, okay?
Let's go.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth.
Good. What do you do before bed?
I read a book or check my phone.
Nice. What do you do on weekends?
I rest and sometimes go out with friends.
Excellent. One more. What do you never do in the morning?
I never skip my coffee.
That's true. We all know that by now.
So true.
Let's add a few new words before we finish. Repeat after me. Exercise, relax, cook, study, clean, drive, rest, sleep.
Exercise, relax, cook, study, clean, drive, rest, sleep.
Perfect. Now let's mix them into small sentences. I exercise in the morning. I study English after dinner. I clean the house on Saturday. I sleep early on weekdays.
I relax after work. I drive to the supermarket. I rest on Sunday. I cook dinner every night.
Wonderful. Now let's finish with one last conversation, a short story about a normal day. Leo, tell me about your day from morning to night.
Okay, I wake up around 6:30, take a shower and make coffee. Then I go to work at 8.
What time do you finish?
Around 6. I come home, have dinner, and play guitar for a while. Then I read a little and go to bed at 10:30.
Sounds like a calm day.
Yeah, I try to keep it simple. What about you?
My mornings are quiet. I drink tea, plan my day, and work on new lessons. In the evening, I go for a walk or cook something new.
That's a nice balance.
Thank you. I like routines. They keep life organized.
True, but it's also good to have fun sometimes.
Exactly. Balance between work and fun. That's the secret.
So, listeners, remember, learning English can be part of your daily routine too.
Yes, just listen to us every day, in the morning, in the car, or before bed.
A few minutes every day makes a big difference.
That's right. You don't need hours, just consistency.
Well said, Emma.
Thank you.
And thank you, everyone, for joining us today.
You did great. Keep practicing your daily routines and free time expressions.
Tomorrow, we'll talk about something delicious, food and drinks.
Ooh, I can't wait for that one.
Same here.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, friends.
Goodbye.